Hello, friends, students, and enthusiasts. Welcome back once again. So, I have come up with one more new topic on, or rather, project topic on IoT. The name of the project is Smart Garbage Segregation. Okay, I have already made smart garbage different projects, but this is segregation project using IoT. Okay, so we'll go for the abstract first so that we'll understand what is there inside. The system automatically detects waste type. That is three type of waste are there: dry, wet, or metallic waste. Using sensors and segregate it into different bins. That is three different bins for dry, wet, and metallic. At the same time, the IoT system monitor bin status, that is whether it is full, half full, or percentage wise, and full, empty, and all that will be censored by my sensor, that is ultrasonic sensor. Type of waste deposited and update data on a web dashboard on monitor. This is very important. Why we call it as a IoT? Why? Because it is showing the web data on a web dashboard. Data on a web dashboard. So that is the main project. So I hope you got the idea. The components required. We have made this on ESP32. Of course, you can make it on Node MCU, that is ESP8266 also. Why? Because it is an IoT communication, because it is required for the IoT communication. So either you have to use 32 or 8266. Okay. So I have used three ultrasonic sensor for three different beams, that is dry, waste, and metal. Moisture sensor is also there, that is for testing whether things are dry or it is wet. All right. Inductive proximity sensor is there. That means when somebody comes, then only the lead will open initially. Okay. Then we have metal detector for metal segregation, and we have used two motors here. One is for the top one where it will open the lead and it will direct the waste to a correct beam. Okay. The second motor will turn around so that it goes to the correct beam. Okay. IR sensor is there, that is, it will detect the object, and buzzer and LED. I have used only LED because the buzzer sound will not be coming here. So that's why for showing you purpose, of course, you can use buzzer also. So I have indicated with the help of two LEDs. Okay. Alerts, we call it as. Okay. OLED display also have used it. That means locally where the bins are there, you can see the display. The LED's purpose is to alert the user whether the bin is to be opened or not. Why? Because if the bins are full, then you need not open it. Okay. So jumper wire, power supply, and uh, three bin frames it has been used. So the little idea you will get it from the subject, not exactly, but I have just referred it and I have just seen it will be something like this. Okay, right. But it is not IoT, but even then you will have a little idea to how to make it. Okay, right. Okay. Working principle: open the input chute. That is the top chute. It will open bottom lead when waste is detected. IR sensor is responsible for that. Use two servos, right? Okay. One is for upper chute, that is upper area. When it will open, there is the lead will open. We have used one servo for that. One to open close the lead, and one to deliver the waste to one of the three chutes. Okay, deliver the waste, because the three tray wet, metal, and dry, it has to rotate. Use three axis SR0 for ultrasonic sensor, one for chute bin each. Okay, each different this thing. Use a moisture sensor and metal detector to classify waste. That means moisture will go to this correct bin, and the metal will go to the correct bin. I've also used SSD 1306 to show the levels. Okay, right. Host a simple web dashboard, that is using ESP web server, showing waste type and bin full percentage. What type of waste it is there and percentage of this thing. Okay. Plus a JSON status endpoint for programming access. Okay. It will be just programming every time and it will be rotating the things and all. Okay. That means it will continuously check the bin. buzzer, if it is more than 80%, it will show the buzzer and all this thing will come to action. That is the LED and buzzer will come to action. Right. Wiring correction I have given it. I will not discuss about the wiring connection. ESP32, how it is to be connected, higher object sensor, how it is to be connected, moisture sensor, servo, both the servo, how it will be connected, and detail, metal detector module also this will be connected. Again, the three we have used three HCSR04, that is proximity sensor, trigger and echo pins, how it will be connected. And that is also given in this OLED display, buzzer and LED also. So these are the connection. This is just a simple schematic diagram I have made it. Of course, I'm going to share this PDF as well as the codes with that. So without wasting time, let's go and see our project in the lab. So we are in our lab now, and you can see the complete setup here. I've just kept the setup. I will just explain you about the setup. Then I will show you the demo. Okay. Okay. So you can see here the web dashboard. I have used already screen. Okay. And few of the sensors. Okay. I will just tell you about the sensors. Okay. Right. So what is the name of the project? The name of the project is Smart Garbage Segregation using IoT. Okay. So points to remember, I will just give you the points wise. So first point is it's an IoT project. Since we are using ESP32 and we are getting through wirelessly, we are getting all the data on the web dashboard. Okay. So it is a IoT project. So how's the working? So first, garbage is actually there will be the garbage is put into a common unit on the top, which will be there on the top. This is only a circuit, please remember. Okay. Uh, Garbage is divided into or correct bin. That means it will be converted if it is dry, wet, or some other garbage that is metal. Okay. Then it will be divided into the different beans. So who's going to run that beans? These two motors. So one motor, one motor is for opening the lead, right? So the first when it goes, it will open it and the garbage will go inside, right? And this is for running the tray. Tray means what? There are three this thing, different type of garbages will be there and it will be rotating around. So these two are for that purpose. These three sensors, one, two, three. These are the ultrasonic sensors. As you can see, I will just put my hand and show you. Suppose I am putting my hand here. You can see two lights have come. Okay, yellow and blue. So right, that is the indications. Okay, same thing. It will be showing whether the bin is full or not. So these three sensors, ultrasonic sensors, will be top of the bin, which will show you whether what is the level of the garbage. Okay, same time, if the garbage is full, the user will come to know whether it is full or not. You put a hand on any of the side, it will tell you about that garbage. And exactly here on the display, it will be shown what garbage is full. Okay. So second point is OLED display we have used, right? Okay. Then we are getting the information on this also. That is this thing also. Okay. Suppose I am putting my hand here, immediately it will come there and it will show that it is full. When it is full, it may take a little time. Now it has come. Okay, full. Okay, so likewise, this thing will be there. So what are the sensors? Moisture sensor. This sensor, which is there in the corner, I will just try to show you. This is your metal sensor, moisture sensor. Okay, this is the moisture, and this is for put your when the garbage is kept, somebody's putting it. This will sense it. This is your IR sensor. Okay. Okay. So three ultrasonic sensor and IR sensor. Then you have moisture sensor, two motors, two indicators. One can be buzzer also. In this thing, I indicated buzzer, and this is three ultrasonic sensors. And this will be your dashboard. Okay. Same time, this can be also used. This is the extra thing which I have used it, which can be you can see from outside what is the level, and this is the alert system. Okay, these two lights are alert system. So ESP32, this sensor, these three sensors in three different beams. These two motors will drive. I will just show you how it drives. And of course, we have used one regulator also. two separate boards. I have taken regulator 5 volt for running these two motors. Why? Because this motor will take a lot of current. So I cannot give current from the sensor. So that's why I have used separately. Okay. So this sensors are for that. This motors are run by a 5 volt regulator. I have given it from here. This is for regulator IC. I have used it here and I will show it to you. Okay. Now I will just show you how does it work. Okay. Putting my hand here. Okay. In front of which the sensor, some customer comes, or rather user comes and puts the garbage. So he will put a garbage. You can see the lid opens, and accordingly this will turn. This motor will turn, and it will what waste is there. If it is a sensor, this will sense, or it will sense that metal is there. Then automatically this will run around. Okay, this motor will run and it will take that ball to that position and it will come, right? And this sensor will, what it will do, whether it is full or not, that all information through the dashboard and other things, it will be shown here. Okay, it will be a dashboard. So this is a simple project. It can be a mini project also. It can be a main project also. Please remember, this is only a circuit. The physical part, right, that you can design, the students can design by themselves, so that it will be convenient and it will be good looking. According to your requirement, you can do it. I have giving you the codes. I have given you the schematic diagram. I am giving you the complete this thing information about the things above, right? Schematic diagram is there, codes are there, circuit diagram, how the connection will be there, everything will be given into this. So very good project, mini as well as main project. The name of the project is Smart Garbage Segregation Unit. I hope you will like it. And if you like it, please share with your friends. Any doubts, please write in the comments. Thank you.